What's up, guys? I got this little microphone thing on here, and it's kind of hard to hold it with let's see, with the thing attached. Anyway, I thought it would help with the audio a little bit. Anyway, I'm looking that way too. First job of the day, we're doing a sofa, chair, ottoman, 2 rugs, and we're gonna do them in a house. So we don't usually move furniture, but the customer has a bed back, and we're just gonna clean the furniture, and then we're gonna move the couch and stuff over, and then go ahead and clean the rugs and let them sit. We're gonna have to do them in house because there's nowhere to put them to let them dry. I suppose we can come out in the driveway with it, but I don't know. So we're gonna go ahead and do this. Yeah, ready to go. Alright, this part's still a little wet because we actually went over it again. There's some real oily from the dog and stuff, but yeah, when it dries out, it's gonna look amazing. Yeah, got all those done. We're gonna, actually, they added on some tiles, so we're gonna do some floors. So do the floors in your shower. And this floor here, and this is the second time we use this a couple years ago, and so yeah, we're just gonna knock those out real easy, and then we're gonna do the rugs last after we move the furniture off. So what I do for these floors, and it worked out really well last time because all my soap scum, organic stuff, I go ahead and just spray it with the peroxide, let it dwell for a while, and then I'll spray it with pre-spray and then agitate and extract, and it comes out looking amazing. Drying up well, man. This thing, I wish I had a before picture when everything was on there, day and night. It's gonna be looking brand new by the time it dries. So the thing about this job is, this customer used me, like I said, a couple years ago, just to do the tile. He called another couple carpet cleaners companies over and wanted to get his upholstery cleaned, and they walked away from it. You know, so he told me that over the phone. So I said, well, I'll look at it, I'll test it, I'll see what it is, and I'll let you know if I'm gonna walk away from it or not. So I show up to the job, and that's why I showed you the label. It's just polypropylene, guys. About the easiest stuff to clean, period, right? It's like a canvas style, but basically it's polypropylene, and it cleans up well. I mean, yeah, it's lighter, so you gotta be careful. You do plenty of dry strokes, and you know, because lighter ones will show, you know, where you missed and stuff like that. But that's just normal. But other than that, it's just normal, easy cleaning. So I told the customer, and I said, yeah, basically what the situation was. And I told him, hey, man, next time, call us. He said, you know, you're here, right? So he said, matter of fact, put us on every 6 months to get all this done every 6 months. So cool. Not a bad ticket. So yeah, so like I said, we're gonna finish up these rugs. I think what we're gonna do is just clean one and then move it somewhere, because it's just not gonna, he thought they both fit in here. I don't think so. So we're just hang this one out here. That's our alternative to let it dry, and then we can put it back in later. I'm gonna clean the bottom now. All right, so all finished up. Rug looks great. That's a little worn fiber right there, so it's gonna be a little bit darker. But so for the guys that are on here and they're saying, what's he doing? Cleaning over wood floors. Listen, guys, if you know what you're doing, you don't get the back end of the floor wet. All right. You know, I'm not gonna go through that with you. You can watch my other videos for that. But yeah, everything came out good. All right, guys, so that's it. All wrapped up. Got everything in here already. So yeah, it's gonna be a nice account for every 6 months, you know. That's just the thing, guys. People may use you, and you might be a little bit more pricier than others, and they might try somebody else, or they just couldn't find your number. Anyway, not happy with other cleaners, inexperienced. I mean, literally, guys, if you don't know how to read a label and know that polypropylene is a very easy fabric, then you shouldn't be cleaning any type of fabric, really. Learn that stuff. It's not hard. Most of it's labeled, and there are cleaning codes on sofas and stuff too. So with business, there are difficulties, and this year, December, was super slow for us. But luckily, we just had just enough to, you know, get by. Things are picking up great now, though. But then another obstacle comes. So if you're thinking about getting into business, there are always going to be obstacles. So this machine here is only 2 years old. Anybody who's watched me, seen me get it, you know, buy it, and you know, and my whole process, blown hay gasket. I don't run this thing hard. Everybody knows I only run this thing probably 2 hours a day max. But I got a blown hay gasket, and now I got to deal with that. But luckily, I can still run it. Okay, it's not so bad. And luckily I have VLM to fall back on. So whether I got to do this myself or have a company do it, If a company does it, they say they might need it up to 2 weeks, which is just real ridiculous. I could probably get it done in half a day. First time doing it, so it'd be kind of stressful. But anyway, yeah, keep on pushing, guys. We'll see you in the next one.